Imagine this. You, a regular person, being pushed to the point where you could end someone's life. Sounds extreme, right? But Stanley Milgram's groundbreaking research in 1963 on obedience to authority showed that most of us might actually do just that under certain conditions. It's a chilling thought. Milgram's experiments were simple yet profound. Participants, thinking they were in a learning experiment, were instructed to administer electric shocks to another person. These shocks increased in intensity with each wrong answer. The catch? The shocks weren't real, but the participants didn't know that. The authority figure in the experiment, a researcher in a lab coat, would prod the participants to continue, even as the person receiving the shocks seemed to be in agony. Astonishingly, a large majority of the participants continued to administer shocks, some even to the highest, most dangerous levels. This experiment wasn't about sadism or cruelty. It was about understanding how ordinary people can be influenced to commit extraordinary acts when directed by an authority figure. It brings up a vital question about human nature and ethics. Are we all capable of committing heinous acts if we're told it's for a good cause, or if an authority figure demands it? Milgram's findings send a powerful message about the dangers of blind obedience. They reveal how societal structures and authority figures can sway our moral compass. It's a stark reminder of the need for ethical vigilance and critical thinking, especially in situations where authority is involved. But here's the twist. Not everyone in Milgram's experiment complied. A notable minority refused to go on, regardless of the pressure. This shows that while many can be swayed by authority, we also have the capacity for moral resistance and independent thought. The implications of Milgram's study reach far beyond a psychology lab. They echo in our daily lives, in the decisions we make, and in the way we interact with authority. It begs the question, what would you do in such a situation? Would you conform to authority, or would you stand by your moral convictions? In a world where just following orders can lead to tragic outcomes, Milgram's experiment is a crucial lesson in the importance of ethical decision-making and personal responsibility. It's a call to all of us to question, to think critically, and to not let authority blind our moral judgment. So next time you're faced with a directive that challenges your ethics, remember Milgram's experiment. It's a powerful reminder of the capacity we all have to either uphold or betray our moral principles, depending on the choices we make.